Okay, Daya, how do you feel now?
Oh, I just got married. This one. Hey Daniel. Remember the first time I said hi to you? Back 9 years ago, I was sitting behind you and I just said hi to you because, we're just being friendly. And I'm so happy you turned around. I was looking for somebody to be with, and apparently it has always been in front of my eyes, and it was you.
I used to be the very nerdy boy, always thinking about school, classes. And I remember just looking across the classroom, somewhere in the front row, there was this girl, tall girl, and she was surrounded by friends who was laughing. And I remember thinking to myself, oh wow, she's a popular girl. I would really like to be friends with her, but me at the time, I think I could. She is friendly, she is kind, she is loving. What more could I ask for?
You are my soulmate, and I am so excited to go on this wonderful journey with you. I admire you in so many ways, Daniel. I know in my heart that you are going to be a wonderful husband, a wonderful father, and I look forward to it so much. To all the places we're going to go, to all the new things we're going to discover, and to the children that we're going to have, inshallah. Inshallah. I love you very, very much. I love you very, very much.
Alhamdulillah, we're married now. I'm sorry for any wrongs that I've done before, and I'm really grateful that you're here with me. And I can't wait for a lifetime of being husband and wife. Inshallah, a mother and a father. I can't wait to grow old with you, to spend the rest of my life with you, go through everything with you, inshallah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Daniel bin Ismail.
Ya, saya.
Aku nikahkan dikau dengan anak perempuanku, Dahia Aisyah binti Ruslan Effendi, dengan mas kahwinnya 1 dinar emas Nabawi tunai.
Saya terima nikah Dahia Aisyah binti Ruslan Effendi dengan mas kahwinnya 1 dinar emas Nabawi tunai.
It's always been me and my mom doing everything together. People call us sisters, people call us best friends. And she moved mountains since day one for me. Not just for the wedding, for everything in my life. And I can never, ever repay her for what she's done. She's the most beloved person, and if I can be an ounce of what she is, I'll be more than grateful. My mom is everyone's superhero, but she's the most special person in my heart, and I love her very, very, very much.
Now Aisyah is married to a person that Pak and Abah suka, and Aisyah pun sayang pada Daniel ni. Abah nasihatkan supaya whatever you do, you must always do things together. You must always seek permission from your husband. Dan most importantly, selalu juga menyayangi mak bapak Daniel macam juga Aisyah sayang pada abah dan mak. Because if you are very close to the parents, it's easier for the marriage to mature and to advance, and inshallah you'll be very happy with life, inshallah.
I've always been Abba's girl, because I'm the only child. So it was very important for me that he was the one who akadkan me to Daniel. And I'm glad that finally my dad has a son to watch golf with, and Star Trek or Star Wars, and just be boys. And that was very meaningful for him to give his responsibility to Daniel, to take care of me. Whenever people ask me, if they've never met Daniel, they ask me, what's Daniel like? And I'll always say, oh, he's exactly like me. Because we enjoy music together. He plays the guitar, I play the piano. We go nature adventures all the time. We go up mountains, in caves, chase waterfalls. We talk about religion, like nobody's ever talked to me about Islam the way he talks to me about Islam. He is not just a best friend, he's my spiritual companion, and now he's my husband, and he's somebody I can be wacky with, I can be completely free and myself. And I think that's very important, that every day you learn more about yourself by knowing another person. And I am so grateful that I have him to be with me, beside me for the rest of my life.
Dear Aisyah, you're my joy and you're my friend. Never lose that friendship that you both have in your marriage, because marriage is not just about I love you and you love me. It's about companionship. It's about wanting to keep growing and moving on and being better and better. My biggest advice to you, my dearest Sayah, keep Allah in the center of your marriage. I love you so much. I just felt that we had Allah's blessings, and that was His message to us, that this marriage is made in heaven. Because in my Hajj, 2 birds came at the Kaaba and they looked down on me as I tawaf. And when I did that, and you showed that shot, I was back at the Kaaba. Those birds remind me of those birds, and I know that somewhere in there that Allah will take care of them.